started very early. I started when I was 16.
Wow.
So, and back then starting 5 multiple businesses, the reason was I wanted to first experiment what sits well with me. You know, are stepping into e-commerce, into services. They are getting into different multiple, platforms, but still it's pretty less.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट शार्लिन अंसारी और मैं आपको खुशामदीद करती हूं एस पॉज पॉडकास्ट सीरीज़ की एक और नई एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड के साथ, जो कि आज हम बात करेंगे विमेन हु मीन बिजनेस। नाज़रीन, देखा ये गया है कि ख़वातीन जो है माशाल्लाह जो दर जो पाकिस्तान में एंटरप्रेन्योर स्पेस में कदम रखती जा रही हैं। ना सिर्फ ये बल्कि वो साथ साथ बहुत ज़बरदस्त किस्म के इनोवेटिव वेंचर्स को लॉन्च भी कर रही हैं। दे आर ऑल्सो क्रिएटिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एज वेल एज मीनिंगफुली डेफिनेटली कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द इकॉनमी ऑफ पाकिस्तान। ये एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है कि ख़वातीन का रोल, एक क्रिटिकल रोल हम अपने मुल्क की मईशी हालात में देखते जा रहे हैं। इसके साथ ही मगर ये भी देखा गया है कि जब ख़वातीन इस दुनिया में कदम रखती हैं तो उनके एक अलग ही किस्म के चैलेंजेस उनको फेस करने पड़ते हैं, जिसके लिए यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ resilience, determination and also the right support system to support them to make it happen. मगर आज हम ये भी बात करेंगे कि इन तमाम चीज़ों को एस पॉज क्या किरदार अदा करता है इन तमाम ख़वातीन को सपोर्ट करने में कि वो अपने बिज़नेस को ना सिर्फ लॉन्च करें बल्कि उस बिज़नेस को सक्सेसफुली चलाएं भी। तो आज हमारे पास एक बहुत ज़बरदस्त खातून डायनामिक एंटरप्रेन्योर मौजूद हैं एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड टू वेलकम हर टुडे, गुलालई खान अफरीदी। गुलालई जो है वो एक डायनामिक एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं। इन्होंने सैलून इंडस्ट्री और फिर साथ ही रेस्टोरेंट इंडस्ट्री में अपना मार्का मारा है और ये दोनों ही बहुत मुश्किल, demanding और competitive type के sectors हैं, but I'm very excited to see a woman actually fulfilling her dreams and making a mark in the industry. So let's welcome her, but before that I want to tell you something very interesting, और वो ये कि despite being from a Pashtun background, she has not only fulfilled her dreams, but उन्होंने ये prove किया है कि अगर औरत कोई फ़ैसला कर ले और हिम्मत ठान ले तो वो ज़रूर अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंच जाती है। एंड सो इट इज़ मोर एक्साइटिंग टू टॉक अबाउट इट टुडे। वील टॉक अबाउट व्हाट चैलेंजेस शी फेस्ड ड्यूरिंग एंटरिंग इनटू द बिजनेस एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप फील्ड, साथ ही उन्होंने चैलेंजेस को ओवरकम कैसे किया और एस पॉज ने क्या किरदार अदा किया और क्या कर सकता है तमाम ख़वातीन को एम्पावर करने में पाकिस्तान में। सो लेट्स वेलकम हर। थैंक यू सो मच गुलालई फॉर जॉइनिंग अस।
Thank you for having me.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I hope you're well.
I'm well too. But really, it's an honor to have you today.
Thank you. I'm honored.
And
I feel
I'm
honored
so
myself.
happy that a lot of women are going to get really inspired by you today.
Inshallah. Yes.
Inshallah.
Yes.
So हम क्योंकि बात कर रहे हैं women entrepreneurs की और कैसे सारा जर्नी होता है, तो इससे पहले कि मैं कॉन्वर्जेशन में जाऊँ, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो चीज़ होती है, before you actually take that first step, you know, entering into the business world, what motivated you to take that step? You know, because usually women are hesitant in, doing that.
Exactly. And we love our comfort.
Absolutely.
We love our comfort space.
Yeah.
So for me, it was more to do with having to be independent, and I think that is one thing I always wanted to be, being independent and not depending on anyone. But having that said, and having a family background which was way different than any other, but I think most of the women of Pakistan go through this, because most of our family backgrounds are pretty much similar and the same. So yeah, with that, I think that's that for me, and the journey kept going on because I never, stopped or looked back.
What really motivated you to take that step?
What really motivated me was, to be very honest, I wasn't very studious. So I knew getting a job was never going to be easy for me, was never something that could have happened for me. Or maybe it could have had, but I was more, focused on starting something of my own. So again, being independent in that manner, when you're working for yourself, you're somewhere more independent, and you have that freedom in your work as well, not only in outside world, but when you're working, you have that freedom to yourself. You want to wake up whatever time you want to, there's no one on your head to tell you what
hammering
to do.
you.
No, not at all.
True,
yeah, if you're out, socializing or with your friends, you're not getting texts from your bosses, So I think that was one thing that I was very, adjutant about. I want to work for myself and I want to start something of my own. So I started with 5-6 multiple businesses initially.
Mashallah.
And I think I've told this in so many platforms that I started very early. I started when I was 16.
Wow.
So, and back then, starting 5 multiple businesses, the reason was I wanted to first experiment what sits well with me. You know, starting with an online bakery, I started with event planning, with the brand, with the makeup, and you know, going on. I think makeup was that one thing that clicked.
Hit you.
It
Yeah.
did hit me, and
Yeah.
I felt like, okay, this is what I want to do.
Yeah.
You know, although my brand was doing great, but then I realized, no, this is less time consuming, and it's also something I can
Manage.
work and manage on my own. So yeah, you know, I think that's how it started for me.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
So really what motivated Gulalai is that thing of being free.
Yes.
That
freedom.
feeling of being
Yes,
free.
yes,
Freedom. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what one thing people need to understand. If you want that freedom, then you know, and you want that power, that freedom and power comes when you get out of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So speaking of freedom and power,
Yeah.
you know, though we see a lot of women entrepreneurs stepping in this world, but फिर भी अभी भी लगता है कि रेशियो जरा कम है.
Yeah.
What is your take on this? क्या आपको लगता है?
Yeah, 100%. You know, but now a lot of women are stepping into e-commerce, into services. They are getting into different multiple, you know, platforms, but still it's pretty less than what it should be. Than it is in the West, you know. हमारे पास अभी भी I feel like there's so much potential in our women, but we don't see it anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, but let's hope and wish that, you know, more women get inspired and feel they need to get out and do more, you know.
Yeah, yeah. So like you mentioned, you know, starting a new business.
Yeah.
And stepping out from your comfort zone is never easy.
No,
right?
never.
It takes a lot of effort
Yeah,
to do that.
it does.
So keeping that in mind, if I was to ask you, and for the audience, मैं चाहूँगी कि नाज़रीन को आप ये बताएं कि कौन से challenges आपने face किए, सबसे बड़ा biggest hurdle जो आपने face किया होगा ना, वो क्या था जब आप business शुरू करने वाले थे?
So I think the first hurdle that every person, not only women, but face is the capital. You know, that comes first. With me, I got lucky because मैंने घर से start किया था. I started very small. And the hurdle for me started after 3-4 years of stepping out from home.
Right.
Because initially I was working at home. So my studio was at home, everything was home based. All my staff was coming home, but the moment I realized, no, now is the time, either I go big or I go home. I wanted to work commercially, to be noticed out there and to get more work, because आप एक time पे आके आपको अपना काम, you want people to notice you furthermore and you start seeing your business as business. उससे पहले it wasn't more to do with profit and, you know, business. It was more to do, okay, I want to make a name, I want to make a mark. But after a few years I realized, no, you know, this is my business, and for business, for it to work smoothly and for operations to work and for to be recognized, you have to step out in the bigger world.
Yeah.
And then stepping out in the bigger world was the biggest challenge, I believe, for me. जब तक घर पे थी, it was very comfortable. Again, you know, I had to somehow step out of my comfort zone.
Yeah.
That work was somewhere comfortable, हो गया था मेरे लिए बहुत. But then eventually I had to step out in the real world and face the real hurdles.
The real world.
The real world.
The real world वाला
And-
जुमला ये बड़ा मजेदार है. मैं इसी को कैप्चर करते हुए
Yeah,
आगे आपकी
yeah.
और बात पे आऊंगी कि like you rightly mentioned, you know, कि even if you wanted to do it from home, but you had to step out
Yeah,
of the comfort
yeah,
zone. You had
yeah,
to meet the
yeah,
outer world.
yeah.
So in the outer world, क्या आपको लगा कि ख़वातीन के जो challenges हैं वो बिल्कुल अलग किस्म के हैं या different होते हैं?
बहुत अलग किस्म के हैं.
तो वो बताइए, मैं चाहूँगी कि
so
नाज़रीन को वो
different,
बताएं आप.
so different in a way कि आपके पास हर चीज़ का टैक्स है that you have to pay, and little did I know that I had to go through all of that. आपके बोर्ड का टैक्स है, आपकी हर चीज़ का टैक्स है, you know, just उस रेजिडेंशियल एरिया का भी अलग टैक्स है. So, you know, having that said, it was very hard. And not only that, also I remember when I was building my salon, जब वो process में ही था, I remember how many times the carpenter, the electricians, and everybody wanted to scam me. They wanted to make stupid of me. You know, they would charge extra only because they knew she doesn't know yet. You know, they knew somehow that I wasn't very aware of the market prices or whatever. So it's much more easier for a man, because for us, you know, it's harder because we've never stepped out of in that world. Men are out there, they're networking, they're doing all of that, so they know, you know. With me or with any woman out there, मैंने तो बहुत जल्दी start कर लिया था, and I'm glad I did, and I'm glad I had to experience it all myself to have that character development as well, because of all of this, you know. I think I was super naive and super soft girl.
I mean, you were 16.
Yeah, but by the time I came to outside towards the commercial, I had turned 21. But that was also a very young age.
Very young.
And now that I look back, I go like, no, I started super young. And you know, I wish I had the support, not only from family but also from my friends, I would say, or from women. अब क्या होता है कि the one thing I would really want women to do is support another woman first.
Absolutely.
Because अगर हम एक दूसरे को support नहीं करेंगे, it's not going to work out. We can achieve so much more if women start supporting women and not get jealous and not give backlash, and support in a way कि you know, be at least आप देखो कि वो बंदा कितना हार्ड वर्क करके आया है यहाँ, and let go the small little mistakes someone's doing in their business, especially startups, and even the ones that have made a mark. We are still every day learning and struggling, no matter of us you know, having our names up there. We're still struggling every day, and we're still going through something or another. But now things, thank God, are becoming much more easier than they were 10 years ago. अब मैं ये आपको बात बता रही हूँ 8-9 साल पुरानी, you know, अब में और तब में बहुत डिफरेंस है.
मैं उसी पे आना चाह रही हूँ.
बहुत डिफरेंस है. मतलब I believe if I had started now, तो things must have gone even way more smoother and easier than they had been before, you know. But alhamdulillah for everything, you know. And best of luck to everybody who's starting now, because it's much more easier for you guys. So don't stop. Honestly, consistency is the key.
Yes,
it is.
Yes, absolutely.
Nothing builds overnight. You know, Rome was never built in the night. You know, so it's that also.
जी नाज़मीन, तो सच्ची बात तो ये है कि मुझे तो आज बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आया, क्योंकि गुलालई की जो पूरा जर्नी है, यू नो, इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी हाउ विमेन नॉट ओनली ब्रेक बैरियर्स बट ऑल्सो ब्रेक द ग्लास सीलिंग्स जब वो करना चाहें तो, और जब उनको राइट सपोर्ट मिलती है, जैसा कि उन्होंने सारा बताया. और इसके साथ ही मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए, हम जल्दी मिलते हैं इसी कॉन्वर्सेशन को कंटिन्यू करते हुए हमारे अगले एपिसोड में. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.